इधर बैठी एक मेरी दोस्त बनी थी नई नई, और उसने मुझे एक हाउस पार्टी में पूछा कि अर्पिता सुन ना, स्टेटस क्या है तेरा रिलेशनशिप का। तो उस दिन मैंने उसको कुछ यूँ कह के टाल दिया कि बस वन साइडेड है। मगर वो वन साइडेड कैसे बना, क्या हुआ, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि हम किसी के साथ होते हैं लेकिन फिर क्लोजर नहीं मिलता है, बस वो फेड हो जाता है, ख़त्म हो जाता है, और वो क्लोजर ढूंढते ढूंढते हम फिर सालों साल लगा देते, अपने आप में ही बर्बाद होते रहते हैं। तो उसके ऊपर मैंने कुछ लिखा, ये इंग्लिश में है, सो मैं थोड़ा स्लो पढ़ने की कोशिश करूँगी ताकि हम सब समझ पाए, हम सब रिलेट कर पाए, और लेट्स सी कहा जाता है। सो इसका नाम है पेपर कट। जब हम बुक्स पलटते हैं तो हाथ में कट जाता है ना, पेज पलटते पलटते, तो इसीलिए मैंने लिखा है पेपर कट। Months ago, we met at a cafe for a talk. Months ago, we met at a cafe for a talk to express feelings which for so long were kept under key and lock. I pulled down his mask to see the crimson of his lips. I pulled down his mask to see the crimson of his lip. I forgot what smells stronger, his fragrance or the coffee he sips. The day sets into echoing darkness, overpowered by an evening so dull. The day sets into echoing darkness, overpowered by an evening so dull. We were so in love, and now the emotion's so null. I asked him a question, simple yet paramount. Somewhere a clock ticking to record the seconds that count. What do you think will more deeply hurt? A dagger through the heart or a paper cut? He laughed, he scoffed at a question so naive, without even thinking the answer he gave. Of course, the paper cut will hurt you more. It might even kill you, or at least leave you with a sore. I contradicted in my mind. How could he be so blind? A dagger through the heart might kill me as well. But what will I do and where will I go with a toned down shell that might a paper cut cause? He fiddled with his phone, missed to see me take a pause, and spoke suddenly that now he has to leave. And with that, my urges, my reality on a sieve. I saw him get up, take a turn. I saw him get up, take a turn. My future plans, my heart's desires, and my past a keen. I see all of them burn. I realized late, but I realize now that love was long gone, and now I know how. The fragile thread that had us tied together but snapped suddenly, and all it took was just a paper cut.